Hello, welcome to my Pecha Kucha presentation. My name is Heath Martin, and this is for Game Design Tools. My Pecha Kucha today is going to be on modern infantry tactics. There's a lot to cover that I won't be able to cover in 20 slides, but I'll cover some of the basics. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I'm an OIF veteran, 09-10, and we did a lot of this stuff overseas. Alright, this one says light 'em up, ammo is cheap, your life is expensive, which is very true. This is why we train a lot, so we can make sure that we can bring our buddies home to us and to their families. And not only that, but ourselves. Okay, this is the standard road march formation. You have your two columns, squad consisting of two teams, team leaders, riflemen, grenadiers, automatic riflemen, and then riflemen. Your squad leaders in the middle. Now, say you're on a road march and you get ambushed. What do? Well, this is one of the important reasons why there's two elements to this. Okay, so our group right here is getting hit from the right side. Okay, the right hand group is going to take cover alongside the road and lay down suppressing fire, while our left column moves around behind them in order to get into position. The one that's covered on the road, surrounded by the oval, is your base of fire team. Their job is to put as much lead on the enemy as possible, and the one in the rectangle there is the flanking fire team. Okay, now we've got the enemy suppressed. Now it's time to eliminate them. So we're going to yell to our base of fire team, cease fire, so our flanking fire team can move up to the enemy position. You do that, so you don't shoot each other. Alright, so the flanking fire team has moved up and has pretty much formed an L shape with the other squad, where they either killed or captured the enemy. When they get there, they're going to yell LOA, which means limit of advance. They're going to regroup and carry on. This is the M18 Claymore anti-personnel mine. And this next topic I'm going to talk about is actually laying an ambush. And this is a very effective tool to lay an ambush with. It's basically a giant shotgun shell. Okay, so we have an enemy excuse me, we have an enemy convoy consisting of about 6 vehicles, which is about typical. And they're traveling down the road. Well, we don't want them to get to where they're going, so how are we going to stop them? Okay, the little rectangular with the triangles, that's our Claymore mines. Now, you can see that the teams are offset, and each of them set a Claymore mine, one taking out the lead vehicle and the other one taking out the rear vehicle, where it boxes the convoy in. And as soon as that goes off, they're going to hit the enemy. Now, you can do this any way, really, but one team is providing cover for the other team while they move along the convoy, and they're going to push up. If there's any enemy, they're probably going to push them to the covering team, that they can kill or capture them. Now, this one is responding to an ambush while you're mounted or in a vehicle. Okay, we have 4 vehicles. Okay, the red lines are your sectors of fire for your gunners. They're traveling down the road. You can see it's a 360 perimeter. Alright, this is an unobstructed ambush, which means that they're shooting at us, but there's nothing in front of us to stop us from going on. The main rule of thumb is really you don't want to stop because you don't know what the enemy has for you, so you're going to want to push right through the ambush and just blow past them. Okay, now this is one where the road is obstructed. Okay, the first truck has shifted fire to lay down fire on the enemy along with the second truck, while the rear truck starts to back up and get out of the kill zone. Okay, these are infantry formations. This is a wedge formation. Standard wedge is what you use to cross open terrain. You got your point man, your compass man, pace man, then your automatic rifleman is usually going to be on your strong side with your squad leader and your radio transmissions officer. Now this is a column formation. You can see pretty much that all the wedge did was just form in a line. That's usually trying to pass impassable terrain or rough terrain. Well, thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and you have a good day, and like I said, thank you for watching. And also, my resources are pictures on slide 2, 3, and 10 were taken from Google Images, and all the other slides were created by me on dabbleboard.com, and they belong to me. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.